Hello everybody, today we're doing something different. So we're gonna do sushi with protein bar. Yes, you heard me, sushi and protein bar inside. So we're gonna use, of course, cucumbers, because what sushi is without cucumber, right? Then we're gonna use some rice. We're gonna use protein powder instead of our regular soy sauce. We're gonna mix it with just a little bit of water. And of course our sushi nori. Okay, so let's try to do this and see how it goes. All the macros will be displayed over here, and let's dive into it. So first we're gonna take our sushi paper, put it like this. Okay, then we're gonna put rice on top. We don't need much rice, so the macros and everything that I put in description is just a little bit approximate. You can choose as much as you want. You can change the amount of rice according to your desire. You want to put rice everywhere, so when you roll it, it's like everything sticks to each other together. Okay, so rice is there. Now, funny part starts. So we're gonna put our protein bar, regular protein bar, delicious and tasty. So we're gonna put it right here. Like this. Alright, the next thing goes, of course, cucumber. I'm not sure how cucumber will fit to this type of sushi, but hey, this is sushi, right? You can put whatever you like as long as you enjoy it. Just 2 ingredients, that's all for us. Now we're gonna roll. And you roll. Alright, perfect little sushi to me, don't you think? Alright, and we're gonna cut it more like that, not so small, not too big, something like this. Make sure when you cut sushi, don't press your knife too hard, because it's just gonna smash it. Just like, basically do like you're using a saw, just back and forth slowly, until it gets down. Alright, now we're gonna put it on a plate. So this is our sushi, look at this. Protein bar sushi. I don't know if you would like to try something like that or not, but I will, and I'll let you know, guys, how it tastes. I'm gonna put it like this. Like this. And like this. Alright, so next, make our little sauce for our sushi, right? So we're gonna put a little bit of water inside of this thing. And mix it very nice. I can tell you it's not mixing that well. Well, this is crazy experiment, so bear with me. So it smells amazing. I cannot wait to just go ahead and drink all this. After I finish this video, I'm gonna drink that whole thing. Alright. So here we are. Here's our sauce. Alright guys. Now we're gonna try it. This is crazy. Look at that. I'm gonna dip it in here. And here we go. Oh my god, I like it. It's like a dessert. If I'm super hungry and need some protein and I want some sushi, why not, you know? It's a good option. If I do it again, I would add some stevia into the rice to make it a little bit more sweeter, then maybe some maple syrup, sugar-free of course, and that would make it pretty good dish, you know. And yeah, so if you guys like it, let me know. Follow, subscribe, do all the good things, support my channel, and also follow the Facebook page 7fitnessusa. They put out pretty good content for you guys. You might enjoy it as well if you're in fitness. And that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.